Tommy owns 83 sets of football cards. Each set has exactly 94 cards. What is the total number of football cards Tommy owns? Well, do we have a total here? What are we trying to find? What's the question? The question is, what is the total number of football cards Tommy owns? So we are trying to find out the total number of cards. So, what two operations could we be doing if we're trying to find the total? Yes, addition or multiplication. When we are combining our numbers, this is addition or multiplication. The next question is, do we have equal groups? Yes, we have exactly 94 cards 83 times. This is multiplication. This looks like we have 83 in a set, and we have 94 of these sets. And so, right away, which one of these can we get rid of? We can get rid of A. 177 is when you add these two numbers up. So, let's begin. 83 times 94. Well, what's 83 times 4? 3 times 4 is 12. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 equals 33. What's 90 times 83? We begin with a 0 for our 90. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 8 equals 72, plus 2 equals 74. What do we get when we add these numbers? 2, 10, carry the 1, 8, and 7. Is this our final answer? It is. We have put together all of the equal groups. Answer is C.